My solution to dealing with Paul's towing. Fuck Paul's towing. Paul's the teach, you're a scumbag, you're a thief, we don't want to deal with you. And that's how things begin here and end. Truck had no brakes. As I said, it's all discombobulated, so Joe doesn't mind losing the bumper because he knows out of Uncle Dutch he's going to get a nice brand new shiny one. So we managed to pull the truck then up the rest of the way with my Behemoth Craftsman tractor. And believe it or not, it did not do any damage to this old tank like it did to the Silverado. Got rust. This is nothing that we can't deal with. We're going to get ourselves a floor pan and some extra sheet metal. Somebody tried scabbing stuff together in there, and they didn't do too good a freaking job. I don't know what they did, but it was a real hack job. We got to get that out of there. Somebody don't know how to weld. Overall, that's what she looks like. Sometimes with these 80s trucks, not so much the Chevys, but the Fords, the floor pans, if you trim them, will fit right over the old stuff. And then all you got to do is weld stuff in underneath and kind of encase it in there. In this case, the cab mount there is kind of compromised. We're going to have to put some kind of metal in there for that cab mount. So this is what you get for nothing. You get yourself a very expensive project with lots of missing parts and pieces. And there is a seat to it. It's not in all that bad a shape. So we'll find out where we're going with this and what we're doing and what directions it's going to take. It's going to take me at least a couple of days, maybe a week or two, to find out just what needs to be done and not done, and how to do it and how not to do it. Because as I said about boobs and discombobulation, there is the high-low switch for the people aren't used to that. You young people, you don't know what that is. That's a dimmer switch. It goes on the floor there for the headlights. That's high-low, high and low beam, set up on the column. This was sort of made before that stuff. It was just coming in the 80s. It was just coming into some vehicles. Some of them already had it in the 70s. But you all washed up, Joe?
Yeah, thanks.